What's up, everybody? It's Jared here with Big Pine Sports. We got a new product alert for you. So this is the Kawasaki Performance Side-by-Side UTV Oil Change Kit. This is available for every side-by-side that Kawasaki offers. We're super excited about this because it's very convenient. Customer can just come in, grab a kit, and go. What's in the kit? So every kit, you're going to have 4 quarts of 10W40 oil. You've got your genuine oil filter, you've got your drain bolt sealing washer, disposable gloves, sweet green, and a disposable funnel. We have these in stock. You saw them here first. We can get these shipped out to you or come in the store today to get one. We've got a special going on them right now, and if you have any questions, be sure to comment in the post below. We'll have a link to these on our website. You can actually just go on, hit the order button, we'll get them shipped out today. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody. More info to drop soon. We got a special announcement from Kawasaki. We'll talk to you in a bit.